Beneath. Uses and examples. Beneath is a versatile word that can indicate physical location, a hidden condition, or a lower position in a hierarchy. Physical location, under or below. Examples. The cat is beneath the table. The book is beneath the bed. The keys are beneath the coat. The toy is beneath the chair. The shoes are beneath the stairs. Lower in position or hierarchy. Examples. The rabbit is beneath the tree. The worm is beneath the bird. The fish is beneath the duck. The mouse is beneath the cat. The ant is beneath the elephant. Hidden or concealed beneath something. Examples. The treasure is beneath the sand. The letter is beneath the pile of papers. The cookie is beneath the napkin. The coin is beneath the cushion. The flower is beneath the leaves. Underneath as a physical covering. Examples. The book is beneath the blanket. The rock is beneath the moss. The box is beneath the lid. The fruit is beneath the peel. The egg is beneath the shell. Inferior in quality or value. Examples. The plastic cup is beneath the glass cup. The old bike is beneath the new bike. The paper bag is beneath the cloth bag. The fake flower is beneath the real flower. The toy car is beneath the real car. Despite. Uses and examples. Despite is a versatile word used to express contrast or unexpected outcomes. Contrast between two things. Examples. Despite the rain, we had a picnic in the park. Despite the noise, she slept well last night. Despite the cold, he wore shorts outside. Despite the dark clouds, the sun came out. Despite the long line, they waited patiently for their turn. Introducing a surprising fact or outcome. Examples. Despite his age, he can run very fast. Despite her fear, she climbed to the top of the tree. Despite his small size, he won the wrestling match. Despite her shyness, she gave a speech. Despite the distance, he swam across the lake. Regardless of or in spite of. Examples. She smiled despite feeling tired. He went to work despite having a fever. They played soccer despite the rain. She finished the race despite her injured foot. He laughed despite the sad movie. Unexpected outcome or behavior. Examples. Despite his tough appearance, he is very kind. Despite his grumpy face, he loves to play with children. Despite her serious tone, she enjoys telling jokes. Despite his busy schedule, he always has time for his family. Despite his quiet nature, he has many friends. Introduction to a clause expressing concession. Examples. Despite the fact that it was late, we went to the party. Despite being tired, she stayed up to finish her homework. Despite his fear of heights, he climbed the mountain. Despite the heavy traffic, we arrived on time. Despite the noise, they heard each other's whispers. Beside. Uses and examples. Beside is a preposition that indicates something positioned next to, or by the side of something else. It can also convey comparison, addition, or disregard of something. Physical location, next to or by the side of. Examples. The cat sat beside the dog. She placed her bag beside the chair. The book is beside the lamp. He stood beside his friend. The flowers grew beside the fence. Comparison or contrast. Examples. The toy car is small beside the real car. Her voice is soft beside his loud voice. His drawing looks messy beside hers. The tiny ant feels small beside the big elephant. The small plant is short beside the tall tree. In addition to. Examples. She brought cookies beside the cake. He packed an extra shirt beside his jacket. They bought drinks beside their snacks. She added a bow beside the gift. He placed a note beside the flowers. Ignoring or not taking into account. Examples. She smiled beside her pain. He laughed beside his worries. They danced beside their problems. She slept peacefully beside the noise. He remained calm beside the chaos. Compared with or next to something. Examples. The butterfly is colorful beside the dull moth. The sunny day feels warm beside the cold night. Her kindness shines bright beside his rudeness. The clear water looks clean beside the dirty puddle. The red apple stands out beside the green ones. Beyond. Uses and examples. Beyond is a versatile word, often used to indicate something that is farther away, outside the limits of, or surpassing something. It can also imply an idea or concept that is difficult to grasp or understand. Physical location, farther than or outside of. Examples. The playground is beyond the school. The mountains are beyond the town. The stars shine beyond the clouds. The sun sets beyond the horizon. The river flows beyond the bridge. In addition to or further than. Examples: she ran beyond the finish line. He studied beyond midnight. They explored beyond the forest. She reached beyond her goals. He saved money beyond his allowance. Outside the limits or capability of. Examples: his kindness goes beyond words. Her bravery is beyond measure. The problem seems beyond solving. Their generosity goes beyond expectations. Her strength is beyond belief. In excess of or surpassing. Examples: the movie was beyond boring. The cake was beyond delicious. The view was beyond beautiful. His intelligence is beyond compare. The excitement was beyond control. To a degree that is difficult to reach or understand. Examples: the mystery goes beyond imagination. Her love goes beyond words. The beauty of nature goes beyond description. His wisdom goes beyond his years. The truth is beyond doubt.